Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Settings and immediately locating the Storage section. This is where the system aggregates usage. Tap Storage or Storage and USB and let the summary populate. This shows total, used, and available space. Once visible, scan the top-level categories like Apps, Images, Videos, and System to see which dominate usage. Make sure to note both numbers and percentages so you can prioritize what to clean next. This first step establishes the baseline data you'll act on in the next phase. Next, drill into apps and files to identify the biggest consumers. You should sort apps by size or last use so large, infrequently used apps become obvious. Uninstall or clear data for those you don't need. Then open your file manager and sort folders by size, inspecting downloads, DSIM, and media folders for redundant files. Once done, clear app caches selectively and move large media to cloud or external storage to free space, while preserving what matters. Finally, apply cleanup actions. Use the built-in storage cleaner or manually delete large files and unused apps and move photos or videos to cloud or an SD card if possible. After you've removed items, revisit storage to confirm the freed space. It should reflect the changes. If the storage numbers don't update or persistently show incorrect totals, reboot the phone and clear the system storage cache. This resolves most reporting errors and completes the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.